Allah is saying whatever talents, abilities, opportunities, economic situations, social circumstance, era, region in the world, whatever I have equipped you with, whatever I've left you behind with on this earth, you will spend out of that. So you will take a good stock, and I will take a good stock, an inventory of what has Allah given me? Where has He placed me? What era, what time am I living in? And then, if my Iman is really fired up, like the beginning of the surah demands, if my Iman is really fired up, I am ready to spend my youth, my talent, my energy, my career, my aspirations, I'm ready to spend them in whatever I can for Him. وَأَنْفِقُوا مِمَّا جَعَلَكُمْ مُسْتَخْلَفِينَ فِيهِ فَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ وَأَنْفَقُوا. Then those of you that really do come to believe among you, those who hear this and something happens to their Iman, and then as a result they do spend, لَهُمْ أَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ. They are in fact going to have a huge compensation. Now, I told you the surahs deal with weakness of Iman, and the first remedy offered to us was realizing the closeness of Allah. Remember that? That was the first remedy offered. Recognize the grandeur of Allah, recognize He's close to you, recognize He's watching everything you're doing. The second major remedy that's being offered in the surah, spending. Being motivated to serve Allah and spending for Him. Not just money. Money included, by the way. Time. Probably the most important thing you can give to Allah is time. Probably the most valuable asset you have in your life is your time. You give Allah your time. That automatically means you've given Him your money. You've given Him your most precious asset. You and I have limited time on this earth. You spend that for Allah Azza wa Jal, you've done infaq of ma istakhlafakum fi. What He left you with, No, ma akhlafakum fi. فَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِنْكُمْ وَأَنْفَقُوا لَهُمْ أَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ وَمَا لَكُمْ. And what's wrong with you? لَا تُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَالرَّسُولِ. لَا تُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ, actually we'll stop there. لَا تُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ. What's wrong with you? You don't believe in Allah? You don't believe in Allah? You don't get the taste of what Allah is saying in the translation, you don't believe in Allah. There's actually two meanings of لَا تُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ. You don't believe in Allah, and you don't believe Allah. You don't believe Allah. Now what's the difference between saying I believe in Allah and I believe Allah? Is there a difference? When I say I believe in Allah, I believe He exists. I believe He's my master. I believe in His names and attributes. I believe in His uniqueness and His tawheed. Fine. When I say I believe Allah, that means I have full 100% conviction, confidence, trust in whatever He's saying to me. In the previous ayah He said, give me your youth. Give me your money. Give me your talent. Give me your aspirations. Give me your goals in life, and I will give you a huge compensation. What's wrong with you? You don't believe me? Next ayah, مَا لَكُمْ لَا تُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ. How can you not believe me? What more motivation can you need? وَالرَّسُولُ يَدْعُوكُمْ لِتُؤْمِنُوا بِرَبِّكُمْ. And the messenger is calling you. He is the one in fact inviting you, so that you could truly believe in your master. وَقَدْ أَخَذَ مِيثَاقَكُمْ. And how is this something new to you? The covenant, way before the messenger even came, the real contract was already taken from you when you were created. إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. If in fact you are believers, you should remind yourselves that this is actually a reaffirmation of the original agreement. هُوَ الَّذِي يُنَزِّلُ عَلَىٰ عَبْدِهِ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ. So how are you going to, now this spending, right? The spending. And the messenger is calling you to truly believe in your master.